All right, so this video is about basically Haitian VODOU Kanzo ceremony and some of the rules that one must follow after completing the first step to a Kanzo. Well, after one Kanzos, there's like a 41-day period where one must abstain from having sexual intercourse. And the reason for this is because it is said that when someone Kanzos or becomes initiated correctly in Haitian VODOU, once they leave the Jevo, the sacred room, it is said that your luck just skyrockets. And this luck basically can be shared with others through having sexual intercourse with them. So it is very popular in Haitian VODOU, like when people Kanzo, they will have other people who are willing to sleep with them in order to get that luck. And apparently, to my knowledge, if you sleep with someone, they're technically supposed to reimburse you for your time. They're supposed to reimburse you for that moment they share with you, you know what I mean? If they don't reimburse you, it's like you're basically giving them your good luck for free. And basically what that does is, instead of you receiving that luck, they receive it. But if you basically get something in return from them, and something expensive preferably, then it's as if you have sold them some of your luck, or you have traded some of your luck that you basically acquired through going through the ceremony. And whenever they purchase the luck from you, I'll call it purchase, or whenever they purchase the luck from you, pretty much you still have your luck, but they also have it as well. But you don't lose any due to the fact that they reimbursed you for it. So, you know what I mean? Mambos and Ogans will basically charge people to have intercourse with them throughout these 41 days in order to help the person get good luck. My personal experience with this, I had a young lady who was a mambo that, she and I were in a relationship, and unfortunately she lives in Haiti and I live in America. So it's like, while you're with the person, you kind of want to have good times with them, and you know what I mean? So she pretty much, we pretty much did it the correct way. She bought me gifts, and you know what I mean? We were pretty much still able to have a healthy relationship and whatnot, or a sexual relationship. And basically, yeah, I didn't ask her to get me nothing too crazy or nothing like extremely expensive, because you know what I mean, she's struggling, you know what I mean? She has a child. Not only that, she has to also feed herself, take care of herself and whatnot. So it's like, I'm not gonna make her go buy me like the most expensive thing possible and have her broke, like, you know what I mean? But I did it, and I feel as if, yeah, her luck did kind of go up a little bit based on what I'm seeing, you know what I mean? And I feel like my luck definitely didn't go away, because I'm doing all right for myself, you know what I mean? So yeah, man. Also check out I got a tattoo of Esli tattoo on my arm. Can't really see it too well, but yeah. But that's basically that's basically it, man. That's basically what I want to speak about 41 days after the console and whatnot. Like, comment, subscribe. Feel free to ask questions. I'm gonna try my best to brainstorm and come up with other topics, and you know what I mean? And yeah, guys, I appreciate you guys taking the time to watch these videos. And yeah. Cheers.